guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix smart Samsung TV flickering or flashing screen. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're having problems with your Samsung Smart TV here, there's a few things that you could try to probably solve this issue. So the first thing you could do here is to basically power cycle your TV. So in this case, you first want to unplug your Samsung Smart TV from the power source. Now, locate the power button on your TV, so it might be on the back or underneath. Now, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. Now, make sure to hold this for the full duration, which is 30 seconds. Now, after waiting for like 5 minutes, plug the TV back in and make sure to plug it directly into a wall. So in this case, you don't want to use a power strip or extensions for this one. Again, directly to a power wall socket. Now, in this case, that should solve the issue. But in some cases, if that doesn't solve your issue, there's still another thing that you could do here, which in this case, you might want to check and replace your HDMI cables. So you want to go to the back of your TV here, and you want to unplug the HDMI cable. So in this case, there are going to be different HDMI cables that you can see here. So again, depending on what you're using. Now, you want to go ahead and try using a different port. So if you have a different port in your TV, you want to use the other ports here. Now, you could also try replacing the actual HDMI cable that you have or you're currently using. Sometimes if your HDMI port is fairly old, it might be the one, in this case, the one that's kind of faulty here. So replacing it is a good idea as well. And also make sure that you're properly plugged in your HDMI. Sometimes if they're not fully in or inserted here, that will cause the problem itself. And also when reconnecting, avoid using the same HDMI port. So again, try using a different one. So like port 2 or port 3. And also while doing this, apply light pressure to your HDMI port to ensure the connection is quite secure. Now, if none of this actually work, the last thing and final thing that we could do here is to basically do a factory reset on our Samsung Smart TV. Now, by the way, this is directly from their website. So how do you exactly factory reset your Smart TV? So you want to go ahead and navigate to your settings here, and you want to select all settings. You want to go to General Privacy. You want to scroll down, and you should be able to see the reset option. Now, in this case, you will need to enter your PIN. So then go ahead and just click on select once you've entered your PIN. Now, by the way, if you didn't set any PIN, the default PIN here is going to be 0000. That's 40. Now, you can set the PIN by navigating to settings here and all settings and basically go into general and privacy and system manager to change your PIN just in case. Then from there on, you want to select OK. And your TV will reset automatically for a few moments. And after performing the factory reset here, you could go ahead and proceed with the initial setups again and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.